Hey, Blissies! Welcome back to Blissful Insights. Today, we're diving into some simple tips on how to look clean and fresh every day. Let's get started. First up, personal hygiene. Make sure to shower every day. This helps keep your skin clean and removes any sweat and dirt from your body. But don't shampoo your hair every day as it can damage your hair. A cold shower in the morning helps in keeping you feel fresh throughout the day. Number 2. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed. This keeps your smile sparkling and your breath fresh. Number 3. Wash your face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser in the morning and at night. This helps prevent pimples and keeps your skin glowing. Number 4. Wear clean clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Avoid wearing the same outfit multiple days in a row, and make sure to wash your clothes regularly. Number 5. Groom yourself. Take care of your hair by combing them regularly. Trim your nails and keep them clean too. Number 6. Use deodorant. Using deodorant helps you smell fresh all day long. Choose one that you like and apply it after your shower. Here's a quick recap on what you have to do, but before that, please subscribe to my channel. 99% of you have not subscribed yet. Here's the recap. Shower daily. Brush your teeth 2 times a day. Use cleanser to wash your face. Wear clean clothes. Groom yourself and use deodorant. And there you have it, Blissies. 6 easy tips to help you look clean and feel amazing every day. Remember, taking care of yourself is the first step to feeling confident and happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more blissful insights. Stay clean and stay happy. See you next time, Blissies.
Bye!